Hello, I got this 2013 Mercedes CLS550 driver side blowing heat only, passenger side fine, like heat and the EC work, but the driver side blowing heat only. So the problem is the driver side door blend actuators. So I removed this what is it, lower cover, bottom cover. There's 3 bolts. I think it's a Star X T25. After you get that off and you push this clip back, then you slide it off and you squeeze this to the left and get it off. Then you tie this carpet right here. You'll see this, the top one over here. This one is for the mode, the temperature mode. The mode for like turn it to your foot, or the face, the function for this button right here. This is for the mode. So the one for the driver side temperature is the one down here, and I believe, but not sure, the one for the passenger side, it's the one on the other side, the passenger side. So this one got this 3 bolts. I already got one off. No, right there. I just lose them, but I want to show you how to get that off. So first you get this needle. If you want, you can disconnect this block first by sticking this right here in the middle and push up. So you need to get to this step right here. So you push up and then you push it back like this, and then you need something like this, a little bit shorter. I think this is T15 or 20. This tool is very handy. This tool you need it for the very tiny spots. It's very good set. I got it from the Snap-on guy, Snap-on truck. So this one is the T20. This tool is a blue point. I don't know, there's no number or anything. It is very good set. So you come down here and you start to loosen each bolt. I already break it off. See that? You get all 3 off, drop it down, and I'm gonna show you the part number. I believe it's all the same. All is the same door blend actuator. It's right here. Make sure this is the one. I have a lot of parts over here. This is the part. This is the part number right here. I will post it in the comment, or I'm not sure which one. It's a part number. Maybe one of these on top. But I will post the part number in the description. Make this video just to show you how it's function now. Like you see, when I turn this, the driver's side, I want you to look at this when it's moved. Now, see, let's go in the cool. Okay, now I'm going to move it to the heat. You will see this one move it now. See that? So if this one not working, that's how you know the actuator is not working. Now I'm on heat. Let's go back to cold. See how it's moved. I will show you the mode one too, just in case. See the top wide board. So this is the mode. This one right here. Let me show you. Now I'm going to select anything and see how it's gonna move. See ya. Okay. This is the mode. So if your mode not function, as you know, where is the actuator? That'll be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.